Hey, having a good old pocket knife. Let's check this thing out. We're going to use a utility knife to open the pocket knife. How ironic is that? Oh, okay, this kind of surprised me. This is actually a metal body, not plastic. Now, Arrow as a company's been around since like 1929, something like that. This is actually a pretty decent little knife. I expected the body to be plastic, but it's metal. So metal body. Look at this, some grippers right here. Pocket clip, which is removable, which is good because I always take these clips off. But that one doesn't look terrible. Lanyard hole. This thing doesn't look too bad. Now here's what's interesting here. Is you can pull on this all day long and it will not open. It is locked in, so you won't accidentally reach into your pocket to an open knife. You have to push this button to open it. I really like that, actually. This is a good, safe pocket knife to carry. I think they call this a Tanto style blade. And then to put it away, we just pull this to the side. Lots of room for your thumb in there because you got a little cutout. I'm not getting basically any movement in the frame here when I bend it. That's really nice. You can see how it locks in here. Just a good design. And one-handed you can put it away. That's great. I think one-handed you could open it as well. Actually, left-handed I could open it one-handed, I'll bet. There we go. Yeah, it's good for us lefties there. Yeah, you can put it away one-handed either way. But I love how this thing locks so it can't open up in your pocket. And it is sturdy. This thing feels very, very well made.